How heavy do you think this mouse is? Oh, wait. It weighs 25 grams. How heavy do you think this snake is? We'll wait. Nine kilograms.
I weigh 40 kilograms.
Hello, my name is Mr. Firth. Yep, my watch is working again. Today, we're learning all about time. Before today's lesson, I went for a lovely walk. After this lesson, I'm going to eat a healthy snack. There are so many words to remember when talking about time, especially when telling the time. Look at them all. It's easy to get confused. Let's take some more time to learn more about telling the time. We can do a lot of things in a day because a day is made up of 24 hours, which is also 1,440 minutes, which is also 86,400 seconds. Whoa, that is a lot of seconds in one day. Shall we go through a day in the life of Mr. Firth? See if you can tell the time with me. What time did you wake up today? I woke up at 7 o'clock. 30 minutes later, I ate my breakfast at 7:30. I started work at 9:15. I took a break and went for a walk at 11 o'clock. I got back 1 hour, that's 60 minutes later, at 12 o'clock. I had some lunch at 12:15. I finished work at 5:30. At home, I finished eating my dinner at 6:45. 45 minutes later, I started brushing my teeth at 7:30. By 8 o'clock, I was fast asleep. Did you manage to tell the time with me? Great work. You'll be telling time in no time. Let's play the true or false game. If you think the statement is true, bounce this way, like this. If you think the statement is false, bounce this way. Are you ready? True or false? There are 60 minutes in an hour. True, there are 60 minutes in an hour. If you bounce this way, well done. True or false? There are 20 hours in a day. False, there are 24 hours in a day. If you